What's happening, guys? Welcome to day 5 in the 7-day Shopify challenge, where I go over the shoulder and show you all the steps that I take to bring a new store from $0 to $1,000 a day in 7 days. So in day 5, we're gonna be talking all about setting up your Facebook fan page. We're gonna talk about how to set up your ad copy. We're gonna jump into image ads and also a video ad setup. So I'm gonna show you over the shoulder how to do all these things, okay? So if you don't know who I am, my name is Sean, and if you want to learn how to build a successful e-commerce business, make sure you subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you get updates for whenever I have new videos. So with that being said, let's hop into day 5 and learning how to set up your Facebook fan page and your ads. All right, welcome back, guys. We're on day 5 now, and today we're just going to be talking about quickly setting up your Facebook fan page. Just a few things that you need to make sure you get on the fan page before you start running ads. It's very, very simple. We're also going to talk through setting up an image ad and also creating or how I create the structure of my video ads, right? I outsource most of my video ad creation now because I don't like to do the design stuff. And the creation of those type of things, but I'm gonna show you like an example of some video ads that have done like really, really well for me, and just like the elements and the recipe for just creating those ads. So we are in the Facebook Business Manager right now. If you don't have a Facebook Business Manager, just go to Google, type in Facebook Business Manager and sign up there. And what I do from there, you just go to Pages, and I already have the page created because I recorded a 20-minute video, this exact video, and the file got corrupted. So I have a lot of things already set up, including the fan page. But basically all you do is click Add, and you go Create New Page, and you just click on one of these, company, brand or product, or cause or community, and then it's gonna ask you to type in the name, and then you're gonna see it pop up here. Click on it, and then you can edit from there, all right? Very, very simple. The profile image, for now, I am just putting the gas mask slideshow image that we have. You can create a logo if you want to. I don't spend too much time on anything like design related or colors or making it look pretty until I already have sales coming in, right? The cover photo here is from pixabay.com. Actually, both of these photos are from there. And you need a profile picture, cover photo. Those are the two things. And then also your about section. You're just gonna put a quick about you, like what your page is about, what you're doing, best survival and tactical gear for your every need. If you wanna have a little more, creativity around that, go ahead. I also have the website here, right? You just click edit and you type in the URL, right? Very, very simple. That's all I do when I'm setting up a page. You basically just want it to look presentable enough so that when people come to your page from your ad, they don't look at it and say, oh, there's no photo, there's no profile photo, it looks like a scam, right? I don't spend time posting a lot of content or anything in the beginning, again, until I have sales coming in. So those are the few things that you need. Just your profile picture, your cover photo, your URL for your website, and then a quick about you, right? That's it, done. Now, creating your image ad. I either use Photoshop or Canva. Canva is perfectly fine if you're not Photoshop savvy. It's a free tool here, so you don't have to pay anything to use it. It's also cool because they have layouts. What I usually do is I take images from AliExpress, which we already did in one of the previous videos, and I kind of touch them up a little bit. You can also ask the supplier. This is the AliExpress listing here. You can contact them right here, and you can ask them for, sometimes they've sent me video ads I could use, like them demonstrating the product. They have also sent me images like of them, like if it's a clothing item or something like that, they'll take a picture with them wearing it. So those are always good. Your suppliers are there to help you because they want you to sell the product for them, right? So don't be afraid to reach out and ask them for things that you need in your marketing. If you go to the product details page here too, you'll find some images that might not show up in Dropified. So like over here, we actually already have these images. But yeah, you're gonna find images here that you can use. Just download them and boom, we're back in Canva. And I'm just gonna show you a quick way that I create my image ads, and we'll walk through that step by step here. So let's just select this template. This is one that I use kind of a lot. I either use this one or the one image template here. Just go to uploads, and I like to have a clear picture of what it is at first on the top. So like a nice white background here. And then I like to have like benefits or like something that shows the size or something. So maybe this one. And then also this is a benefit type of image. So it's waterproof and shake proof. Now, here's a little trick. I like to touch the photos up every single time I do an image ad. I will touch it up. So I go to filter, go to contrast, and you're gonna watch this real quick, okay? I like to bring it to 40. Oh, it's this one right here, sorry. 40. So you can see it kind of makes it pop a little more, right? Now we're gonna do that for the other images too. Filter. Oh. Bring it up to 40. Boom, you can see it kind of makes it, the shadows pop a little more, makes it look a little more crisp. Why does it keep doing that? Bring this to 40. There we go. So this is my formula. Very, very simple formula for creating an image ad. I use the AliExpress images, or you can ask them, the supplier, if they have any better ones. And then touch up the contrast, right? Bring it up to 40 for each of the images in your ad if you have multiple images. And I don't like to do text in the ads because like I don't like to put free shipping or anything like that because first of all, Facebook has that text rule, right? The 20% text rule. Secondly, that makes it look more like an ad, right? And people don't like ads in general, right? They like to see things that they like, but they don't like to see an ad telling them to buy the product, right? So I like to make it look native or natural as possible so that when a customer is scrolling through the newsfeed, they see this image that pops out at them. And if your targeting is correct, based on what we talked about last time, you should be targeting the right people who this appeals to, right? So your ad copy will reach out to them. And I don't like to put text in the ad because of the Facebook ad text rule and because it makes it just look a little more like an ad, right? And Facebook, people are on Facebook to buy, right? They're not there to buy products or shop or anything like that. They're there to communicate with their friends. And if you interrupt them with an ad, a very clear, obvious ad, they're probably gonna, they're more likely to scroll past that. So I like to make it look very natural. This looks, you can still tell it's kind of like an ad, but it looks more natural than something that has big letters across it saying like free shipping or 50% off, right? So we're just gonna download this. Download. And that's your image ad right there. Perfect example. Now, video ads. Again, I created a quick video ad and the file got corrupted of me recording going through that. But all I do is I use a program called ScreenFlow. And here's what the final video ad looks like. Okay, so we just did the image ad, and I'm just gonna show you a good example of a video ad that I just created using a program called ScreenFlow, okay? ScreenFlow is just like, you can use iMovie, you can use QuickTime, or I don't know what the PC editing apps are for video, but all I did was I dragged in the images from the AliExpress listing that we downloaded, put some text overlay, made it move left to right or up and down, and let's just take a look at it real quick. So we have benefits on the top, the value prop, ultra portable and durable, lights up the darkest areas, perfect for any occasion. Then I have the company, Ultimate Survival Online, website, and then a call to action, order now, right? While supplies last, scarcity. So that is the formula for video ads, right? You wanna have the footage be about 3 to 4 seconds. You don't want it to be too long because humans have very, very short attention spans. So you need to make sure that you are hooking them within the first 3 seconds, and it's not just a static image that stays there for like 7 seconds, right? So I also make it move left to right to catch the attention, and then have the text overlay explain the benefits of the product, what it does, lights up the darkest areas, those type of things, right? Now, you can use pretty much, ScreenFlow is a $100 program, I believe, but you can use other programs. Like I said, iMovie, QuickTime. I don't know what the programs are for PC, but very simple. You can also hire people on Fiverr to make these videos for you. Just give them the pictures. It costs about 10 bucks, I think, 10 to $15. And if you don't want to design it yourself, send it to them, right? But very simple. That's exactly how I create my video ads. Now, if you need inspiration on video ads, just go to Facebook, right? And then go into the search bar and you can type in something like tactical flashlight, right? Let's see what's working out there. Now you can see the ones that, you can see how many views they have, right? This one looks pretty good. 3.7 million. You can either model it after these, you can repurpose it if it's not branded. See, it's a very simple image type of ad, right? And people on Fiverr can create it like this animation. I'm not a video editor guy, so I can't teach you how to do all this stuff. But you can take note of this and send it to someone on Fiverr to create for you, right? If you don't want to do it yourself, that is. Let's see this one, world's brightest flashlight. So it's just someone using it, right? Look how simple this is. 75,000 views. Someone explaining it and showing the video ads. These work very well because they don't look like ads, right? They look like just someone reviewing a product, right? So that's how you can find other products or video ads to model after. Just go into the search bar, type in your product or type in your niche, and you can also use words like free shipping if you want to see that, and just take a note of these videos. Very simple. These little easy video ads that I create, I have some that have done over, like 1 million, 2 million views, right? And they've all been very, very simple like this. So don't get complicated. You don't need a high production budget or anything like that. The simple video ads work, especially on Facebook, because on Facebook, it's important that the ad looks native, and native meaning it looks like it's part of the platform, part of content. It doesn't look like it's an actual advertisement, right? So that is the video ad section. And now we're gonna talk about the ad copy. So I'm gonna pull up the page and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back on our page now. And let's just use the image ad and let's upload that to our page. So we're gonna go here, click on add photos. We've got this here. Open. And let's go into the ad copy now, right? So what I usually like to do is I like to start off with, where's the Facebook symbols? I like to start off with an emoji. So this is piliapp.com/Facebook-symbols. And you can do this, just use some emojis that are congruent with your niche. So I might use something like this, right? Or maybe there's a gun or something like that. Let's see. We'll just leave it at that. I like that. So I'll do something like this and write something like maybe attention. Or I have the product page too that we created last time. I'm just gonna copy this, the name of our product. $50% off plus free worldwide shipping. For the, actually let's not do that. For free worldwide shipping, just add some scarcity in there, right? Okay, so I'll talk through this in a second once we go through the entire thing. But we have attention, our 5 mode is now available, 50% off plus free worldwide shipping for today only. Now, what do we do from here? You can also add like benefits like this right here. Perfect for use these, right? Lights of the dark. And let's take more symbols here. Maybe a check mark. Boom, boom. Or lighting up the darkest areas using as a self-defense. And then you could do one more like this. Okay, so what do we do here? We wrote some clear benefits for them, right? Get yours here, right? We need a call to action too. So I'll do something like this. And then you can write, the link, right? So we'll put the link here. Using offer. Okay, so this is very simple ad copy. Right here, attention, our 5-mode waterproof torch LED flashlight is now available. 50% off plus free worldwide shipping for today only. So attention grabbing, tells them what it is. It's now available. They get a big discount, right? Plus free shipping for today only. So scarcity, get yours here. So we got the call to action, and then we have some benefits right here. Perfect for lighting up the darkest areas, using as a self-defense weapon against home intruders, and shining into an intruder's eyes to disorient him, right? There's gonna be different depending on what your product is and depending on what your copy on your landing page was. But the idea is to make it congruent, because whatever's on your ad right here, and when they click and they see the same exact congruent copy here, that's very important for conversions, right? So that's why we do that. That's why we also had that white image, the same as the one that's on our landing page. So it's congruent again. And then we just click publish. And here we are. Here it is. Okay? Beautiful. Very beautiful. There it is. Okay, so we covered the Facebook page, what you need to have on your Facebook page when you set it up. We covered creating your image ad. We covered video ads and like what is the good structure and recipe for a good video ad, and then also how to look at competitors and see what they're doing. And then we went into setting up the ad copy, all the elements of that, making sure you have all of those, and having it be congruent with your landing page. Okay, so we covered a lot today. In the next episode, we're gonna go into actually setting up your test ads using the interest that you created on day number 4. And then we're also gonna go into setting up a reporting dashboard and making sure it's all ready for when you need to review the metrics once your data starts coming in. Okay, so hope that was helpful for you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying this series so far. We're covering a lot of ground here. This is probably what you guys see in a lot of the courses, but I wanna give you guys some massive value here for free. And if you guys like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. And I'll see you in day 6 in the next video.